to the wall. City never sleep when the bass come alive. Neon lights reflecting in your eyes. From the block to the penthouse view. Same rhythm make me move with you. DJ spin that African sound. Heartbeat match when the drum go pound. Every corner of the globe tonight. We connected by the vibe. No passport, no borderline. Just your body moving with mine. If you feel it, don't fight it now. Let the rhythm show you how. Worldwide Afrobeat energy. Feel the fire running through your body. From LA nights to London streets. We don't stop when the rhythm speaks. Worldwide Afrobeat energy. Hands up high for the frequency. One sound, one love, one destiny. Worldwide Afrobeat energy. Oh, 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 let it play. Oh, 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 every day. Oh, oh, feel the drum when Afrobeat call we come. Summer breeze with the ocean sound. Slow wine, let your waist go round. Gold chain shining, skin tone glow. Every move say you already know. No rush, we got all night long. Every step turn into a song. From rooftop parties to big side flames. Same beat, different names. No stress, leave it all behind. This moment frozen in time. If the night don't wanna end, let it spin again and again, yeah. Worldwide Afrobeat energy. Feel the fire running through your body. From LA nights to London streets. We don't stop when the rhythm speaks. Worldwide Afrobeat energy. Hands up high for the frequency. One sound, one love, one destiny. Worldwide Afrobeat energy. Afropop and rolling, guitar riff looping, crowd response melody, DJ style drop and rebuild. Look around, we all the same, different stories, same flame. When the drum talk, we listen close. This is the language we chose. From the motherland to the main stage, also mixed with a new age. Every heartbeat, feel aligned. Africa living in the sun, yeah. Lights low, rhythm slow. Let the groove breathe, let it flow. Just you, me, and the beat. Barefoot dancing in the street. Worldwide Afrobeat energy. Feel the fire running through your body. From LA nights to London streets. We don't stop when the rhythm speaks. Worldwide Afrobeat energy. Hands up high for the frequency. One sound, one love, one destiny. Worldwide Afrobeat energy. Till the sunrise, we still here. Same drum, New Year. Midnight driving through the city glow. Radio low, let the feeling grow. Your silhouette under flashing light. One slow wine change the whole night. Bassline talking drums so clean. Every move looking cinematic scene. From Lagos to London rain. Same desire, different lane. No words, your body speak. Every touch got a frequency. If tomorrow don't exist tonight, let's live everything we like. Late night Afro groove, don't stop now. Slow motion when you break it down. Feel that rhythm in your spine. Late night Afro groove, I'm a late night Afro groove. Let the D keep it low and slow till the sunrise touch the roof. Late night Afro groove. Feel the motion, deep like the ocean. No emotion wasted. We don't fake it. Sweat on skin, summer heat. Barefoot dancing on concrete. Golden brown under neon signs. This vibe should be a crime. No crowd, just you and me. Lost inside the melody. Every beat say stay right here. Every drum remove the fear. No rush, we got all night. Let the groove control the time. If the world outside too loud, we turn the volume down. Late night Afro groove, don't stop now. Slow motion when you break it down. Feel that rhythm in your spine. Late night Afro groove, overnight night Afro groove. Hold me close, let the DJ keep it on slow till the sunrise touch the room. Late night Afro groove. Afrobeat bass rolling, deep where you're in gradually. Guitar riff looping hypnotically. DJ style filter drop rebuilt. Different cities, same desire. Different faces, same fire. When the drums say move your waist, everybody understand that phrase. No language, no explanation, just vibration, communication. If you feel it, you belong. This rhythm is your home. A heartbeat matching the kick drum. Breathing deep, moving slow. Lights fade, bodies close. Only the groove control. Late night Afro groove, turn it loud. Lost together in the crowd. No tomorrow, just a move. Late night Afro groove, late night Afro groove. Feel the flow from New York nights to Tokyo. When the sunrise way too soon. Late night Afro groove, yeah. Sun up, ocean breeze, Afro right, yeah. Sunshine hitting on your skin. Barefoot walking, let the good times begin. Ocean blue matching your eyes. This moment feeling like paradise. Cold drink, warm sand. Your hand slowly in my hand. No rush, no deadline. We moving on island time. No worries on our mind. Leave yesterday behind. If the world moving too fast, this vibe make it last. Summer Afro vibes, feel it slow. Let your body rock with the flow. From the shoreline to the night sky. Summer Afro vibes, summer Afro vibes. Hands in the air, sunset colors everywhere. When the drum meet the tide, summer Afro vibes, oh, 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 yeah, oh, oh, yeah, oh. Afro vibes, oh, 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 yeah, oh, oh, yeah, Afro vibes, oh, oh, yeah, oh, oh, yeah, let it go, move it slow, feel that sound, Afrobeat all around. Golden hour, camera flash. Laughing loud, make the moment last. Brown skin glowing in the light. Every move feels so right. Palm trees dancing with the beat. Heart rate matching the kick drum speed. From Caribbean breeze to African sun. Same rhythm, we become one. No phone, no stress, only vibes, nothing less. If tomorrow never comes, tonight already won. Summer Afro vibes, feeling slow. Let your body rock with the flow. From the shoreline to the night sky. Summer Afro vibes, summer Afro vibes. Hands in the air, sunset colors everywhere. When the drum meet the tide. Summer Afro vibes. Light Afropop show, rolling smooth bassline, bouncing. Guitar riffs looping warm, trouble the fist and breaks. Aches, different accents, same smile. Dancing together for a while. Music louder than the fear. Everybody welcome here. Africa in every beat, even when we off the street. This is more than just a sound. It's the way we move around. Slow motion, lights low. Last sun rays start to go. Hold the vibe, don't let it fade. Memories already made. Summer Afro vibe. One more time, feel the rhythm in your spine. From Miami coast to Ibiza side. Summer Afro vibe. Summer Afro vibes all night long. Different place, same song. When the waves and drum collide. Summer Afro vibe. Oh, oh, oh.
After midnight, this one for the heart. Ooh, ooh. Street lights flicker on my way home. Your name's still ringing in my phone. We said forever like it was light. Now it's heavy every night. Same city but I feel alone. Crowded room still on my own. DJ play that familiar sound, but your memory still surround. I dance but my heart don't move. Smile wide but I'm missing you. This rhythm healing something deep. Even broken hearts still feel the beat. Afrobeat after midnight, when the world go quiet. I move my pain to the rhythm, till the morning light. Afrobeat after midnight, tears mixed with the bassline. If loving you was a crime, I do it every time. Oh, don't let me fall. Oh, I gave it all. Oh, drum keep calling, even when love keeps stalling. You know, oh, don't let me fall. Oh, I gave it all. Oh, drum keep calling, even when love keeps stalling. We were fire in the summertime. Now with silence between the lines, I replay every word you said, every promise left unsaid. Friends say move on, you'll be fine, but healing don't work on time. So I wind slow, eyes closed. Let the music hold me close, and my heart still calling your name. Let the drum wash away the pain. Tonight I don't need the truth, just this song and a little proof. Afrobeat after midnight, when the world go quiet. I move my pain to the rhythm, till the morning light. Afrobeat after midnight, tears mixed with the bassline. If loving you was a crime, I do it every time. Oh, don't let me fall. Oh, I gave it all. Oh, oh, drum keep calling, even when love keeps stalling. Yeah, oh, don't let me fall. Oh, oh, I gave it all. Oh, oh, drum keep calling, even when love keeps stalling. Dance with scars, still keep it real. Even broken souls can sway. Still find light in the darkest day. This sound don't judge my tears. Been holding pain for years, and my heart don't wanna speak. Let the drum talk every week. Slow steps, heavy breath, dancing through the weight I left. No crowd, just me and sound, healing pain right now, yeah. Afrobeat after midnight, I survive on another night. If love fade, rhythm stay to the break of day, yeah. Afrobeat after midnight, still dancing with my flaws, even when my heart break apart. The music never stops, yeah.
From Africa to the world. City never sleep when the bass come alive. Neon lights reflecting your eye. From the block to the penthouse view, same rhythm make me move with you, dear. DJ spin that African song, heartbeat match when the drum go pound. Every corner of the globe tonight, we connected by the vibe. No passport, no borderline, just your body moving with mine. If you feel it, don't fight it now, let the rhythm show you how. Worldwide Afrobeat energy, feel the fire running through your body. From LA nights to London streets, we don't stop when the rhythm speaks. Worldwide Afrobeat energy, hands up high, feel the frequency. One sound, one love, one destiny. Worldwide Afrobeat energy, yeah. Summer breeze with the ocean sound. Slow wine, let your waist go round. Gold chain, shining skin tone glow. Every move say you already know. No rush, we got all night long. Every step turn into a song. From rooftop parties to beachside flame. Same beat, different name. No stress, leave it all behind. This moment frozen in time. If the night don't wanna end, let it spin again and again, yeah. Worldwide Afrobeat energy, yeah. Feel the fire running through your body, yeah. From LA nights to London streets, we don't stop when the rhythm speaks, yeah. Worldwide Afrobeat energy, yeah. Hands up high, feel the frequency. One sound, one love, one destiny. Worldwide Afrobeat energy, yeah. Different stories, same flame. When the drum talk, we listen close. This is the language we chose. From the motherland to the main stage. Oh, so mixed with a new age. Every heartbeat feel aligned. Africa living in the sound. Light slow, rhythm slow. Let the groove breathe, let it flow. Just you, me, and the beat. Barefoot dancing in the street, yeah. Worldwide, Afrobeat energy. Turn it louder, let the whole world see. No fear, no hate, just unity. Worldwide, Afrobeat energy. Worldwide, Afrobeat energy. From the club straight to the embassy. Every nation moving equally. Worldwide, Afrobeat energy, yeah. Shoot us alright, we still Sandra.
driving through the city glow. Windows down, let the feeling flow. Street lights dancing on your skin. Every mile pulling us deeper in. Leather seats, space moving slow. Radio playing something low. From the corner block to skyline view. Same rhythm riding me and you. No rush, no destination. Just vibes and elevation. If tomorrow feel too far, tonight exactly where we are.
Midnight drive with the Afrobeat. Slow wine moving in the passenger seat. City sleeping but we wide awake. Midnight drive, no mistake. Midnight drive, let it play. Same song looping anyway. When the bassline hit that tone. Midnight drive, we gone.
Oh, 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 ride it slow. Oh, oh, let it go. Oh, oh, city lights. Afrobeat all night. Oh, oh, ride it slow. Oh, oh, let it go. Oh, oh, city lights. Afrobeat all night. Dashboard glowing out on cruise. Every breath feeling brand new. No crowd noise, just the sound. Baseline holding us down. From Lagos roads to LA lane. London nights, Tokyo rain. Different cities, same control. This rhythm riding in my soul.
No words, just motion. Deep like the ocean. If the night don't wanna end, let the DJ spin again. Midnight drive with the Afrobeat. Slow wine moving in the passenger seat. City sleeping but we wide awake. Midnight drive, no mistake. Midnight drive, let it play. Same song looping anyway. When the bassline hit that tone. Midnight drive, we gone.
Minimal percussion. Guitar riff echoing. Felt the net past breathing. Africa speaking through the night. Oh, so rapping neon light. This sound don't need no crowd. It hit deepest when it loud. Every mile erase the stress. Every beat say you blessed. If you lost, don't be afraid. This rhythm guide the way.
Engine up, heartbeat match. City blur, moments catch. No past, no future zone. Just the night and Afro tone.
Midnight drive, turn it up. Feel the bass inside your chest. From the city to the sky. Midnight drive.
Midnight drive, worldwide. Different roads, same vibe. When the rhythm take control. Midnight drive.
Yeah. Island vibe. Afro rhythm. Palm trees dancing with the breeze. Salt in the air, mind at ease. Sunlight dripping on your skin. This the kind of day you never wanna end. Flip-flops, cold drink sound. Laugh too loud, toes in the sand. No clock ticking in my head. We moving out the ocean said. No shoes, no worries now. Just good times we allow. If the stress try pull you back, let the drum erase all that. Island Afro rhythm, move it slow. Let your body ride the flow. From the shoreline to the system. Island Afro rhythm, Island Afro rhythm. Feels so right, dancing from the day to night. When the sun kisses the horizon, feel the breeze, move with ease. Drum talk soft, island
Life feel like a memory. From Africa to island sand. Same rhythm, different land. No matter where the plane may go, this groove already know. No rush, we in our zone. Every beat feel like home. If tomorrow bring the rain, tonight sunshine in the brain. Island Afro rhythm, yeah. Move it slow. Let your body ride the flow. From the shoreline to the system. Island Afro rhythm, yeah. Island Afro rhythm, feels so right. Dancing from the day to night. When the sun kisses the horizon. Move it easy, drum talk slow. Island vibe don't cross. Move it easy, drum talk slow. Island vibe don't cross. Africa in the ocean sound. Heartbeat where the waves go round. This music travel with the wind. Everywhere the drum begin. If you're lost inside your mind, let this rhythm realign. Paradise ain't just a place, it's a feeling in the bass. Slow steps, fading light. Sky turn purple, gold and white. Hold the vibe, breathe it in. Island night about to begin. Island Afro rhythm, yeah. One more time. Feel the sunshine in your spine. From the beach to every system. Island Afro rhythm. Island Afro rhythm. Worldwide, different sea, same tide. When the drum and waves align. Yeah, yeah. All along. Yeah, I read up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All along. Afro rhythm.